Design teams have different needs. Many want to communicate more efficiently with their partners. Some need better ways of securely storing and revising their data, and yet others are looking to provide structure to their team's processes. So how do you solve these needs without your creativity taking a backseat to everyday file management tasks? With cloud services, there are convenient tools like Share a File that allow you to remove the friction associated with sharing your designs, both internally and externally. Simply indicate whether you'd like input on the design, who you'd like to share your design with, and the feedback you're looking for. No file attachments or viewers to download, just a notification with a link allowing controlled access to your content directly from a browser on any device. Dimensions can be taken, sketches can be made on the model to communicate design ideas, and markups added from multiple views to convey manufacturing suggestions. When finished, comments capture the markup and can be used to request additional information. The best part is that you never have to leave SOLIDWORKS. You can access any comments and markups right from the task pane. They not only contain the annotations that were added, but remember the orientation of the model as well, making it easy for you to understand the feedback. When it's time to make design changes, Cloud Services has built-in revision management that's as easy as saving the model and drawing. Simply add a note indicating what's changing, and your new revision is securely saved to the cloud. On the drawing, the revision table automatically updates for you with your change comments. Plus, you can track the progress of your designs by simply updating their status. No need for moving files to new folders, zipping datasets up, or coming up with creative file names. Just convenient tools designed to make your life easier and keep you focused on your designs. With the new revision available, you can choose to share the drawing as a PDF with your supplier, or update the existing share with the new design. Either way, you're in complete control of the access. The 3D Experience platform is your online product development hub. Powerful search capabilities allow you to find and assemble your designs with ease, fully supporting your favourite features such as mate references. When it comes to collaborating with your team, each member can lock the portion of the design they're working on, ensuring your design changes aren't accidentally overwritten. And because your designs are securely stored on the cloud, you can access them from anywhere. Preview your designs right in the browser while taking advantage of powerful capabilities like comparing your design revisions. Explore the structure of your design with built-in search, allowing you to easily navigate to the component of interest. Focus on the part and access all the associated custom properties without ever having to open SOLIDWORKS. When you're ready to bring more structure to your engineering processes, Cloud Services has you covered. Use the convenient tags to filter your designs by status and formalize your release process by dragging your designs into a route. Routes can have linear or parallel approval tasks assigned to members of your team. Once the tasks are completed, you'll have full access to the sign-off history, and the route will automatically update the status of the attached designs. Not only can you manage your approval process, you can also track and resolve design issues as well. Unlike traditional lists, these items can be visualized right on the design. Location tags provide feedback on what the challenge is and who identified it. Detailed descriptions and recommended actions are outlined and can be updated with the action that was taken and the resolution. The CAD items are referenced, and to ensure no one is duplicating work, the issues can be assigned to specific members of your team, and comments allow for social feedback that remains connected to the task at hand, not lost in an email. When completed, you can update the issue with a simple drag and drop and export a pre-formatted presentation to update your team in your next design review. And that's just the start. Cloud Services opens the door to next-generation design tools, powerful simulation, and intelligent manufacturing that can accelerate your throughput. Keep your focus on design with Cloud Services, part of the 3D Experience Work governance portfolio, and available with new and upgraded SOLIDWORKS licenses.